Yamawache ama wo akwaba Adom TV sunie baabi a ohwe afie bia na pen so ye da sese wo do afidie no ato ha enne ye March bosome ne da toso enan na chese Ghana month no a yesi mu no enne ye da toso enan ti ye mo bibia afishia panyame adom adwada na Ghana adeshi kronkron Ghana man adeshi kronkron na yenya enfie aduosia ensia 66 years the multimedia group enkenka Adom brands ye de esi ho sese abosome de ye njeja ye hokra ye hye Ghana ntade of course na Nnawotwi Yi so de unu se de bia no Ghana ntade ne ye hye pa ye di Ghana nuane ya ka Ghana ho ensem na fei ya mama wiase nyina ehunu se o man Ghana ye wo ada oye sani Adom TV ye wa oye no bi di chief Jerry Force na Nnawotwi Yi na no pen so ye sinkonya ye de bro hye ne so ma say as part of the Ghana month no enne ye wo personalities bi wo hon ma few kwada ne ba ne nyina no ya celebrate omo ana pen so ye beje bre na fe ya san so akomu biu na ye hunu modern a wo mo ede abo ede asom wo man Ghana enne ye match musume ne de toso enan na Nnawotwi Yi na ye di free ye studios ha 355 Fanofa Street Kokomlemle ye de brewo me the chief Jerry Force on behalf of my production team but I say baby I will be ane kwan a wo fa so ehwe yen 80 yen so am say we are also live on Asempa 94.7 FM. Enti kanya ho na face so join here e wo Facebook Adom TV on Facebook and also Asempa 94.7 FM e wo Facebook na yendi dwumadie Nnawotwi dwumadie so na nsem a edi akotre na Nnawotwi mu no yeyi mu bi na fe yesa so esi hunkonya na ye bobo ho Nnawotwi ye mu se ya wada no na former president wakola nche the campaign ewo frau mantem sankomo no ye betwetwe wahyebo ahodo no a but ye sankomo e be hyase kane no nanka ubie wallet mu a ubehunu Senate card ubehunu driver's license ubehunu voters ID card ubehunu hospital card ubehunu passport ni nyina no na ehye wallet nim ana nyame ncha de Ghana card eba ya afi boni frebibi synchronization enti na sa card si nyina no ye boa no ewo card ba koso se ne be ya wuyi a o driver's license ewo so o passport ewo so o voters ID card ewo so na enne ne ho akoba daira ye twen eye voters ID card a ye ka say Electoral Commission the CI ne aboni friend constitutional instrument akoto ma shebejafo anim se ye ba beto aba ye obi be a friend continuous registration ebe koso no ne abroni friend source document say voters ID card na Ghana card ne nko any document abetimi ede akere ansana wudin atumi akopie abato kratanim now enapay ye hwe abisa say ohawben na ede beba na me hwe nkratamu no ano ma me constitution nim Article 42 of the 1992 Constitution ma menkan na fe mi wi ayenko CI no sumu na fe wi ankomo no eni enda ho Article 42 of the 1992 Constitution say every citizen of Ghana of 18 years or above and of sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled to be registered as a voter for the purposes of public elections or referenda. There's a Ghana ni bia we dey feel do wotwe ene ne mbroye na na dwene mu eda ho no o wakwanya se ye twere ni din o wakwanya so oto aba sa akwanya no nsunti sa akwanya no na ewo ho edema no se o ye betinya twere ni din ewo abato krata no emu Article 42 no sa na tie na fe me new CI ni mu no so regulation 1(3) of the new CI or say a person who applies for registration as a voter shall provide as evidence of identification the national identification card issued by the National Identification Authority unquote enti CI no so eno no na me no me ni bisa CI na me ka say me bie phone lines na hwe issues around Ghana card eye bebre obi a otro ni din 2019 ye ka say ni sanka ne card obi a ne card ayira na wa report wakwaji police report ya ne konabra ne sanka card ne besi ne ye obi so ho no card no ekura no enso so you say activation no sense verification yenye ti card ni kwa no a ontimi friend this dwuma bia safo ni nyina wo ho enti ebisa na pai ohawben ena edibeba se saa CA mrahwebedwafo womo agi tumu a we be looking into the issues na ye de enchiremu edi abra na pay ye hwe nim se ne Dr. Shiribo Kweku oye Director of Electoral Affairs Electoral Commission ye no ebetwetwe enkomo na fei ya hwe ebo ahodo bi nso a omampani dada John Dramani Mahama ehye ye wada olanche the campaign wo from amantem wie ya pe ena afei wo tisi mu a wa hye campaign no ase anisa amongst the promises are openi no aye and says nyame adom na NDC for emanakwanya betu frank ama NDC amayoko no na fe enu achi 2024 Ghana for so manakwanya emane san bedi wo man yi so a yedi kan o say ex gratia me kire sika yetua edem article 71 office holders na se bi kire kakra sa kuo no eye omampani the vice president speaker of parliament Chief Justice and a justices of Supreme Court, MPs and a ministers of state. Say womo ewie omadwuma no mokwa ahunje mu a ye sidan ye man the cars me no ye man the driver na fe dwuma form be dwuma man on office na no aban no and from the consolidated fund as so hwe na otua saafo no eka omampani dada Mahama say wo ba sa na mo no obetwam obeyi afri hokra afen so wahebo say ministers are one omo ebedi dwuma no obete so lean government into ono de krokrowa aduosia 60 ministers and ode omo ebedi adwuma na eno so ye ho asembisa ba komienu eno so ye bebisa na afei wahwe a stabilize Ghana yesika sem no eno so ye bedomu asuko into these issues and an appear sinkonwa Nnawotwi ye de bro stay with us our Facebook na fa comment fato ho na ye ba ye beje me na fa kenkan e de ama kai ma kai na hye ne so bi o ma me se ene ye nua Christian atunu Nnawotwi dida no ene na eba so enti yewie Nnawotwi dwumadi pe na ye de wo kɔ hɔ na ye bɛkɔ so ho bi aso so ye de aba be dan o midin e de Chief Jerry Force ne frame CJ amo achi amo akwa aba amo achi amo akwa aba bi Adom TV Nnawotwi dwumadi na eguso ye de ebre wo chenenso ema me se Facebook we are live enti obetimi adwane wo Facebook na afei the commenter to ebeje bre na fa kenkan e de ama abejafo anapay meni omo esi enkonwa the former member of parliament for Ablikuma Central Honorable Ebenezer Nina Nate ono so agene fugu samidie ye bia wote me extreme left so na miamia Eric Kwame Ajay or deputy Bono regional communication officer for the NDC ono so and the team 50 abejafo mu akwaba eje so Honorable Bibi Aboko.
Nyame adom nyame.
Constituency saying.
Nyame adom. Nyame adom Bibi
Aboko. Obesa akobi o.
Nyame ya adom na party no e de akonya ne to ho. Na ohihye eda no ene emre na mesan de me ho abo afore ema the good people of Ablikuma Central MPP4 na mejidi say nyame be ma adom so ama kunimdia ya media na seat ya hwere ya 2020 no Masaji seat na my party no any Ablikuma Central ya because Oba constituency no say baby obefe bia no you can see the footprint of Ebenezer in every electoral area. Now all these footprints no have become a standstill and the people episode who say you na say then you buy. So I'm sure and very optimistic say nyame ya adom 2024 na yeda so etiase na moja e defun san we mu na 2 minutes away in summer. I'm very sure say we'll definitely take the seat for MPP.
Okay. Into Ablikuma Central for my former member of parliament and Okasa no. Ti mo hwe nanim oso osamba. Kwame. Ekoye.
Nyame adom eja.
School boko there. Incoming lawyer. Sha Ebenezer de hell. Okay.
And then so a year will be crew, Sumahin crew, but cement me uncle. It's the Bema addition in our connection, teacher, member packets about your friend Amiao or University of Energy, Oceanic. Member Yako, near Busiani, Mepemuno, if Yami will be BB, my intimate uncle. Yes, I'm coming.
Okay. Okay.
But me dey me man ko MP no bi me kan.
So we school now with me. wait me akọ suma ana wo de no German not on
your person call ni boss e person call nti on to me
and we giant so on dika
me boss me need the same constraints
but ya wada na about origin
David na me wa
went me anko we ni
ya invite no
oh yes sir na me with different assignments say Thursday no me na me buy ko see sen
yeah
anti say me call voter and ke bia me ntimi medu.
Okay. Okay. All right. Iti yebesha common no ase but Dr. Sribo Kweku, director in charge of elections at the Electoral Commission. Wa joining yen wo ahoma no so medin the chief judge force no betimi afra me sije mama ma Dr. Kwaba. Doc ko tienka.
Me ton ka ba.
Bibia boko de.
Me adom ho ye na.
Nyame adom me ho ye. Doc yenim se CI a modi akoto mrahye bedwafi efo animu no ehun komo no akoye bebre but for obi a onim ba bia sisi a ba bia yeduro no ehefa na CI no ho na montu no yeduro adaro maboy kakra Doc
Yo ni am chawo ne o tie ko ina the law constitution say article 51 was it baby electoral committee no ya no yemfa emra parliament na emra ya ba three na to say no in the amra no na e dey akọ in the aye all the consultations in the final the parliament on the parliament the whole of this it I can't look at the that ombele and me find charge say yeah the proposal na ba na ya draft kakra I fit bebo na da for attorney general department no omna amrebia kana mrebe omna ekire no ma draft am ye so mo draft we no and the recommend parliament do mo say as part of pre-laying process we go share committee of the whole and you go share committee of the whole the can answer me chiro omo say me share leadership of parliament through budget committee you go share omo that can answer am and the last one go share general parliament no our parliament house the one area is say can say omo the law no mbele na fe na kwenu.
Okay, etina say ye lay we are free honum na ye call him fabio ye lay before parliament
before parliament na man say be 21 16 days for parliament work and they do 21 16 days na say assembly no dey na party na parliament no to me say parliament for in parliamentary no e mutu church e chemi nsa e me no to say yempene e ba sa no say kwa wodro. Apart from that, the year
okay. My entire say Butaya a terchentia, ye pesa ye de Ghana card and a chassis with continuous registration in Pansana 2024. Yabako Twaba. Doc.
Yo, but that's it. The thing is, your first Mimi General Commission 1995. Now it was CI 12 and an area registration. And the Electoral Commission Nankasa and a BCM said, who are that the attire, a passport, old Ghana card, old voter ID card, Garanta system now. The Garanta is the only card we do want that year. Mobility at a one and Saudi. So CI 12 near the year 1995 election, I told 1996. If you are called CI 72, and I think 2004. And also, Garanta and of course, CI 91, when they became biometric, no, the shape. But I'm never 2020 registration. And I see, tell me, I'm the weekend from CI 12, CI 72, no CI 71. But who's a better in the region? You know, we're going to have you and could be who said, if we are now one for complaining, you're killing what I be. Yakila hopefully part the compromise de Kuranaba. And the CI in 2020, you have the guaranteed eligibility process. Me, direct lands is stream, and you have insurance card stream. Neka passport, Ghana card, and guaranteed the non. I don't know. You have no and I actually around 7 million people. By the time we know about 10 million plus. If you now the last thing was there, as the say, oh, you map over almost 90%, around 90% of the people. If you mark a neutral, and almost a more assurance in it, by the time I talk about even this year, middle level election, no more or more from the card, and card number. I think why don't we make it say to eliminate possibility of what the guaranteed system, Burma, Aparani, our bishop, young money is difficult for them. If young fan new law now, I've been there, you saw the card about the Ghana card, there was so we again in here also, we are also, won't feel also, so that we will do away with all these allegations in terms of that John Corretti and John Corretti. Basically, you know, two, the bear irritation, basically, started with business officers. You can say, continuously, all year round, party for Gomian Prime account. So why don't you come with an identity? Party for who the fear will not be there because no form of identity.
Okay, but Doc, my auntie way I say, no call Parliament, you know, there were suggestions. I'm saying, source document, you know, your EBF free ma aka passport, na fe Ghana card, you know, and guarantor system, you know. But your suggestions about I say, and come for passport, you know, and Ghana card, you know, and no matter home. That's a boy.
You know, home. The reason why Ghana card, you from myself. I'm not a card now. Unyanya card now, who work document number. Some of was a car. Teacher, Yanatun South, that number will never change. The term we are now, we have about Namano, Subaku, Baba. Sabi, Yamatun South from Gampa, who bought Namana, Subaku Baba. Now, enter passport. Next menu, in my last time, I have 4 passports. Passports are now with different numbers. So, Kweku would identify passport through 4 different numbers. But now we are very new passport, they are now number. So the number is not consistent. It is in the one number to your lifetime.
Okay, but because I said 2020, answer about there were calls for a new voters register. I don't know your call back and forth. I don't know there was a new voters register. But say nay, the Ghana card nothing beside say the purpose in here they throw the new voters register no it has failed. Is that it, Dr. Kweku?
I'm very new registration fair. The old one was bloated with a lot of disease names near it. And you come back new letter no. Before then, we hadn't done no one. I'm a trained video. So that alone is a good work in a sense that the new letter reflects living people, not diseased people. And there is no faith. But what they are saying is that going forward, you always want to have to improve upon what you have done. What you honor Abrabomono, when you want to say, improve life, let it be a now you are looking at life not worth living. And the same we are the way we are some. Now when you be no, so we are A B the people. I don't think we're some near B. You buy the money people. Now when you be brother, don't look at the I don't think if I do everything I can get A. So B will be best. But who put the money B plus? B plus will be best. But my money is only to be A. So we always have to improve upon that. Anything because the CI 12, I didn't say about CI 72 because we needed to improve our system. There was CI 91 because we introduced biometrics. I didn't have to say it's old one for biometrics because it's a biometric will be better. Now, look at 2020 now. First biometric knows only on fingerprints. This time we introduced facial recognition. I'm not for saying, like I said, that facial recognition. So so far, you see the facial. Because only one one and about facial recognition. It's open officer, about how the facial recognition works. Case the fingerprint down here. It is 10 years you should be improving upon the system, improving upon the system.
Okay.
But me sure. Pass Ghana for the complaint there. The registration in Kwadana position.
Okay, but
listen to the Ghana for election and now for election. And now for what election?
Doc. But there's also the possibility or the challenge. Say, the Ghana card, be continuous registration. I no. Na obi so afrim nipa bebre and be free ya be wu ebinom nso so and also be qualify for a new voters register.
So what a new draft now. This is that we are going to collaborate with Birth and Death. It is the new CI. You see, the new CI, Birth and Death will be updating us once a while on disease names so that it may you a who for the film. And no mama won't go for them. We are doing 18 and let's say continuation. This time, in fact, that what say they are by July, August. They be now. Why are they doing now? Ghana card no for your office. So this one is in making room for the Octanon. And Birth and Death from that boy and me a who for the film. And I make people say 10 billion my 18 no, but I bet you would.
Okay, but the challenge, and some member money NIA for the Anukra, I didn't see that more continuous registration, my district offices, nothing, not the various polling stations. Why your district offices?
Hello, Dr. Timika. What about the union? Yeah, Yama or more money 18 for one. So it is possible. It is possible, sir. If you are police station, if you are union for 18. It is possible. Say a police station, 1 year, 2 Now, here registration, you need about 5 people at the polling station. And the would machine now, would the 5 in 7 days, you pay them on an average not less than 3,500. Now, it was 38,000, almost 39,000 polling stations. Multiplied by that. Now, now, are you being economically wise? If you limited station beyond there, other electoral area or district offices, other electoral area or district offices. But the new CI, the same, continuous will be under this office. If the situation arises near who said there was particular location there, you want to 10 some numbers or the law allows it. So, in addition to this office, the commission may decide to visit any areas that is involved.
Okay, but what I say, I don't know come more electoral commission Juma because now between more and NI, more na some say obia say in second Ghana card biano, ne say to me aka. But what me adwene say do.
And me no nyina na say. And I exactly here electoral commission do. And you got what ya. And the other abanu ma mo resources. Na me no nyina say obi also qualify biano. The train the electoral commission here. Everybody's responsibility.
Okay. For instance, see I na parliament a pass it na se resources no aye kan na if one san to me anka na just say Ghana card na I mean a source document they bet me aye adwuma doc the more reason why you should be interested
by our computation between 2020 and 2024 there are around 2 million people. That is the transition data. And you know registration. And I'm going to do there. And I registration, a capture on 15 years. In these 2 million, some of them have the Ghana card already. I can say by this competition there, and yet 2 million Ghana card. So the 2 million, some of them have the Ghana card because they raised when they were 15 years. If you move at the now, this is the airline, you look at one of the Gamba, card or Marissa, no one do a million. So, and I have given assurance that card no, no, it's a number of related. That's a question, I'm not having a more 100 million. So, the assurance from them is there. With that amount of money, they are going to roll out the registration. And within 2 months, 3 months, Ubia will be there, no no so can't be.
Okay.
Yes, yes, you museum. And you compose the Kajana card. So if I want to Kajana card, you and I cannot do the best. If I want a card, you will not want to be a one person. And some people will have the card, but they will not register. But we are sure that by the time the best this level execution, no, you are talking to the Ghana card.
Okay, but Electoral Commission copy more Parliament. Suggestions are MPs no at the buy, you know. Mako back air factor, and also so at the same Namujina.
But
for instance, the inclusion of the passport, so no say mufa and can but your factor.
And the mama reason why you passport now when you say Ghana no last one is clear no mom passport no 2%. The 2020 next year no mom passport was 2%. The passport is not a target.
Okay, but after that, Nipa Bebre so acquire passport too, doctor.
But
after 2020 registration, no, Nipa Bebre acquire passport. Omu ni Ghana card into. Ombe person ombe passport no. Ebe yo registration.
Now, most of the people don't have passport. Ombe the Ghana card. Passport. It is easier to get Ghana card than to get passport. But Ghana card won't ya. Unless you want to go premium. It is issue is there. You are Butaya. You say the Ghana card, but we are supporting. New Korean register no. So the rest of the Ghanaian voters register, not ECOWAS or international voters register.
Doc, I say yan share we say Brenninti, but GDR Ghana for ewo Electoral Commission mu. Mintimi hu say from where I sit, so take because some share Afro Barometer survey round 9 2022 year. Only 1 out of 10 Ghanaians and the can say one more GDA Electoral Commission more a lot underlined as compared to 2005 and also Michelle Afro Barometer round 3 1 out of 10 Ghanaians, which was about 50%. Now say GDA power Electoral Commission muno akofem enhamo
ebina ya kama temi now go trade now the who you how do you expect people to have confidence in the commission? In this you the name now born the name to 2 years. You want you were credible register, you were credible election now there. So now the search should be a warm election come out. Those are but any perception answer actually come with but Ghana card number one thing we should understand them. What is Ghana has a prophet has no respect in his own country. Uko other countries are. Maybe election will be an now balance on Ghana Electoral Commission. I thought what I say. The Ghana Electoral Commission come once a year. The way outside respect the electoral system. No. Just before Christmas time we could do I went there to lecture on elections. The respect for Ghana's Electoral Commission.
Dr. Jinaye Kakama.
And come lecture on elections. Oops, it was the back so the respect they have to Ghana for Ghana Electoral Commission. At the end of the day, let people say what they want to say, but we will do the right thing. I don't think we are the system will talk for itself.
Okay.
2020, election you European Union, almost credibility, 95%. Read all the observers normal or more report. Read all the observers report. They rated the election high. So that is the most important thing there.
Okay.
People who want to see.
Hello, Doc. Yeah, and tonight I said, now saying, I'm Penina Mahama call Nigeria. Na okoshe Nigeria abatu no so the comparison he made Nigeria INEC and Ghana Electoral Commission comparison no no enya dia as a commission money na ya adwene
what follow Nigeria election no
yes
the what follow Nigeria election now the who over Nigeria election was better than Ghana election now go and read observe the summary report of Nigeria election read this or just a report on election. Now who get it? Go and read the report. And yet, I'm when I mean, sure say, I'm going to them kind. I've done young couple who read one book. Now it's probably the give the interview of a defendant.
Okay. Look, you better was say. It's a Ghana card. Remember, credible voters register. Tiawa. Ghana card. Remember, credible voters register.
Very, very credible. We have credible register. The register will be our feedback. Later, credible. And we want to get.
Okay. Dr. Shubako Gumayanda was in IFNC here. That's Papa. Director of Electoral Services, Dr. Shubako Kweku. And you know, actually, and come on, where do I start from? Where do I start? Ebenezer Mamisha after listening to the Director of Electoral Services on this CI, your initial remarks, Nafi, Yenshem Komonase.
CJ, that's it. Say, for the past 1 week, you know, this issue of the new CI, Ideaco Parliament, a discussion that all of us, especially one of interested parties, politicians and our political parties, into Obia the Nadrin, na Huandin, the BBI, the new CI and so. For me, listen to Mr. Kweku, all the things that he have said. For the past 1 week, I've monitored him in most of the radio station and TV station, and the same thing. The question that we need to ask ourselves, what is the issue?
Nnawotwi Yi or Ghana Manto, Adom TV.
That's it. I didn't say beside who say, again, assemble naba. You see, I feel we may be show the info for. Sebi, one need voters ID card. Na omanya den voters ID card. Na ye ba be tro din fufura ye di emra na ye den eto. Say u be tro udin a ukita pen, ukita pencil, ukita paper, ukita we na odu kwa tro udin. Eniti no se u ni sa akande we a emma be tro udin. Kopebi na bra na ye be den be tro udin. Yisi actionas ehu say akade ne bia ye di etum no ye yi bi eden efrimu ni ajabi nya ye efrimu no bebe na ewo hu asemka nya ye ka se de ye di betro din no eye Ghana card in fact me buy no o ma wo open remarks no o ka se obi kita snake card okita ni Ghana card
okuta NHIS
okita NHIS passport. I mean, anything biano okita. Me too, I don't have snake card. Me need snake card. Because at the time I make register no, me the Ghana card ekoye. In fact, no, me be register no. Omo catch me say because of Ghana card na ye nti no, they will not they are not almost stop some issue card. In fact, I will do me higher. Up to now, everything ewo mechanical card and so.
Yes, so ya merge ya na was card did no. Ya merge multimedia and make this arrangement no ya merge snit with your Ghana card.
So there's no need say obe here Ghana card, obe here ukita one card which is the Ghana card. Ade ba ko me to be honest with you. Me force super ya ye free me force super 100% the guarantor system.
I didn't see.
Because political parties and Eric Bedu dance here say we abuse that system 100%. Guarantor no, me will feed the number of people I saw over to me. I think between 3 or 5. Obi jihu ejuma kra kwotena ho. E kwotena police station, that's a district office no, and that's a police station no oti ho. Now we ba no a guarantee man, we ba no a guarantee, and he guarantee for minim say CJ be minipa obe guarantee man. I challenge Electoral Commission say omupa yemfa records of omo guarantee man nkofo. So unya nipa ba ko a wa guarantee more than 20 and 30 man nkofo. It becomes so abused say ye were even electoral areas. Or guarantee wa kakra na wa guarantee wo ho no wa guarantee wo ho no guarantee wo ho.
But I think say up to 10.
Yes, so but I'm telling you, say, a bimu fan is too much.
Until they guarantee for more than 10 people.
I will not say.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes.
More than 10
people. And I'm not saying say a MPP and I said me see all the political parties we are part of it.
No, say a chiom anambwa.
Asa. That is why I'm saying say I am 100% supporting Yi say ye Ghana system in free so because of the abuse. Because ye yet to the sense say obi to me ba no akosha nkofo gate na no. Oni why na buy. But party be na wo no di na akọ no akwa yama. Obi ye wie obi it be guarantee ma o. Me ni Eric be guarantee ma because two people. Ye guarantee ma wo wie a na wo gina ho. Na wo so twa ma guarantee ma obi fufro. That's the abuse ewo. But the law ni say me guarantee ma wa e say me nya obi a me nimu obi onim ni wo baby a onye ni busuani. He doesn't even know the person from anywhere. But so far as party no na mobilizing for the police center na already sanity no they guarantee man.
So then
it's against that is why
I think that as stakeholders, both political parties, you are the reason why our voters register has
that
not
is why
credible.
That is why I am in support. Say we should use only the Ghana card. Look, you see, sometimes no NDC for me dream kwa me tell myself, and I have a lot of good friends at NDC, like Eric AJ. Eric, I didn't know do cordon NDC. Now yes sir. Look, we were in Parliament. I was in Parliament at that time. There be a Ghana card. NDC for say king. Omunye. Ya buyer already saying Parliament for MPs. Foyer honum. On the floor, they will castigate against NIA. And so omu pay back no we see from no akwakoye. I think there was a time me challenge omu floor say why only me say on kita Ghana card no ma unsa so. Meanwhile no they have portrayed on say say no they were telling your people not to go and register for Ghana card. To extent even recently let's say you register SIM card. Yankoti a friend say
stubborn academy.
Now say on national election. I say the Kotia call Peace FM. Or say wakoya ni Ghana card, linking the BBR to Ghana card. All the cards now. So you see the double standard of these people. These are same people they issue a communique to their people. Let our constituency officers to ensure say NDC phone now and call the district office of NIA to go and register. Me, who do me constituency? Make sure be my office do. Academy opposite.
Yeah.
GRA office be or
yeah.
Or no more. Ubedu na NDC constituency executive, NDC branch executives. No more to lie. I'm on for. Awaiting them to get their time to go and register
for Ghana card.
For Ghana card. Then these same people will come and shout. And then another one breath, almost say, NIA no, baby, yanye pa your friend is saying MPP stronghold. Abba. You see, sometimes no, they try to put your own person somebody your friend is next year a go mukwa for nini. Omukwa na be ekosi omusu bai. No master someone. I say to about you. And then this for anchor. And ye and ye say na kof ye sink of forecast ye says nyama to extend say the minority the former minority leader Aruna indeed Trobia
there be go forecast there ya shin go forecast ya say nyama oman jiatu and omo court paper chow yeah
Eric oh I say you kai and she me kai
because person sign come
but we she kai
oh 1 minute
yan she car na car
you okay Mati it's okay Mati yan she kai
you have 1 minute
oh 1 minute
Matria sign yan she kai it's the she tai e wo kwan so kwan Eric say ye kwan nyina asese no major road street light ase na ye she tai e wo ho to extend some minority in parliament e walking from parliament to EC office. No ma she tuntumuni koko, no ma so munsem. Led by Aruna reduce at that time, and then omo pamuno. And omo du koy. Ye wie okay, ban yen court. E ko du court I said, you see, me meeting baby na say me bra. To extend that when they call Akwana according to me Wednesday. Rojo metonunu. O say omo ma meeting ka mama biscuit and ka ho.
Na say na biscuit nka ho.
Biscuit nka ho.
On collection. And I'm supposed to go tea.
Oye penny na 100.
I saw funny do.
Ebeneza, for anusi mame.
So the point is that they'll make noise and be saying all manner of things. Then they will turn themselves. No matter there's some way. Meanwhile, no, now on what to future Ghana training, I created so many problems to get international attention.
Okay.
Maybe by you, mommy, just 1 minute.
Yes. Landman.
President Mama, or say Ghana Electoral Commission, Asia Nigeria for yes, I don't know, or Twitter or Facebook.
Yes.
Yes, I don't know. Hey, CJ, Nigeria election one be one should be. Into the see Nigeria and maybe we have. And next year election there, a bear power. And next election, a bear for papa. A bear fair. Because look, and I say not do center hall no matter. Would me say to about my member. Would me say to about man your friend say MPP candidate member. Anybody I can say you know.
Ebeneza medase. Kwame.
Yeah, minia.
Yenhwe mu issues with SACIA Electoral Commission they are to a parliament. What are they?
Medase. Chair His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Baby Obia and me
Ogusu Volta Regional.
Okay. Mama Lordina Senra no Bono East. Or yeah, water project be the area Ampoma. Yeah, commission here. Yeah, be money per 30,000 suano. Into your war position crown. So we are building the nation. That is NDC for you. Now, Dr. Sribo Kweku ne minia nati. Nigeria election no. Ya 2 years ni nipa sen e wuye. Ima no from time ni ya no.
Is nipa sen e wuye?
Yes.
Nipa more than 30 na wuye.
Akanika se obi nim nyam a otiase.
Me tiase.
Unim nyam. Dr. Sribo Kweku onim nyam. Na nim wu asem. Ye kwoto about 2020 we and nipa nwotwe na wuye.
So
you see, they are a bunch of embarrassing, like, yeah, I mean, I don't know how to describe these people.
Tobuase.
No.
Tobuase.
Minimobia yekum no banda. Sellers.
Tobuase. Nakasa.
What? They are not working. Sellers 28 good years. Ne mami abusu emu no na na akọ school afi na na we training college. Want to see yekum no ya. E wo MPP office enimu wo Kabrono. I went there me could do 2 weeks. So what are they talking about? Now there that cro ya de be di moma. Na yakwa akoto aba yakum nipa nwotwe wo no te ka say Nigeria de no ne Ghana de no efe ewudifo. So you mean say election is about sharing blood?
No, that's not what.
No, but
what he said.
But you see, and you can talk of Ghana's election and not be talking of those who were killed. Can you talk about it?
Oh no.
Then why?
You can't. But
no, then why?
Is it?
CJ,
oh no. Comparing.
What are you comparing?
Are you asking me?
Ghana Electoral Commission organize aba Nigeria INEC na ye. Nigeria de ni yekum nipa sen. Ghana yekum nipa sen.
So if it happens that they will put
senior judge
and me say no it happens at
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. About 1 year ko. About the security in the Electoral Commission that didn't go in place in consultation with the police administration.
Yes.
Ye no one our organize aba MOB be di man penny and yekum nipa 8. One who ye election yekum nipa 8 no. What's ye more abaso? Ochene betimi I heard they see Wabanda I was there. One polling station, Methodist polling station. E do baby na soldier for me na eko. I swear, I won't lie. But the public so. You know the reason why? Because you see a man you phone register. That's what the neighbor you go. No say what? They will register. We are Ghanaians. Ne kwa ye banta wo montam ni gina wo hwe o mu say. Da be na Ghana soldier for come asundwa ba mo atwa o mo hoko. And you think that election was okay? Yeah, but to next one. O man yes saying.
Yemra CI no so.
Eric. Dem ne man yes saying. Next one. Say 2 kwa. Ubetna and waka say, nay, okay.
Yamra see, I
So that's it. Senior, like, Ubian through a battle. And let me say this here. Now, my dream I am say 2020 elections, you trade new register the Kodia and your Ghana there, a endorsement near de mamo. Your cultural dinner now saying this for seeing register Ghana Kanya there, same level. See a quarter year upon the moye yin, same level.
So why are you complaining now?
Good. The air can was them, I am rasem near. And amamu enya patapani ni odin. Iti munimwa. Say copy of the report ekuta me bia ekuta we committee of the whole report, right?
Also take.
I have a copy here.
There's some copy wa.
Very good. Now no ye centrofo nhyiamu NDC as a party. Yes say your constitution no article 42 la a kasafa citizen ehun. So article 42 ne say every citizen of 18 years or above citizen and of sound mind
But Ghana nation ho. Ghana no.
The constitution no na metro. Say constitution. Ghana constitution American say Nigeria dey na.
Okay. That's say you can Nigeria. Say me be Nigeria dey na o kan. No, but you are quoting
you are quoting the constitution. So I think it's only proper. Say
but
Menotia. No. Me see me quote the constitution of Ghana. Na mama article 42. And American dey o ho. Go on. How that is in Jai. Shall not you. Every citizen of Ghana of 18 years or above and of sound mind has the right to vote and is entitled
to be registered.
Entitled. Entitlement.
Yes.
Good. Enti ene menu nyina ye Ghana for. Emrapon a edibo o man say obi o ye Ghana ni asebe na adwen ye adwuma na wadi mfie dun wotweko. Eye ohye say utimi to aba ene eye ohye say o register to aba ene the electoral commission for kano it has if say the constitution na offer constitution na I think article 11 or so a state emra hodo a edibo man the constitution is key act of parliament legislative instruments here and the keka ho ni na ho but the electoral commission person ye ne no eye ade a niema mienu pe na wo. One, say you be reabemu, Ediama MPPB.
Oh,
yes.
How?
Metrim, and Yama Minupe. One, see you be reabemu, Ediama MPPB. And I did Tosumino. Say Ghana for your found who dear you walk. Say you exercise your constitutional right, no. Your beji dear free. That is all. You will see CI 91, and yeah, as amended CI 126. Now for CI 91, now for amended version, no. Now before the proposed CI na. And near money in pepe. We are 33 pages. We are 33 pages. Offer the content or CI 91 are the same content and we CI the said proposed CI na mo deba no. But a dear omo ye free mu ye. Hona krono no wono. Say electoral commission so oba be registration. The registration now oba be no. Can it this CI 91 as amended 126 no. Na electoral areas ni polling stations mo and your registration. This time around electoral commissions we here no ayden e dey free. District office.
Yes.
Very good. Ebiem sa can registration na here no. Polling stations na ye registration wo ho no. Guarantor system and a passport ni ade na e ka ho no. Eboa man nkofo ana omunya access for Ghana card ni de keka ho no. Yetimi ko register no so. Maybe so honorable simple question. Sir, yeah, registration the agents go polling station.
Yeah.
And then obi timi gina ho no wa challenges nipa we on free community we yeah man register. Why?
No, yeah, agent. That is
any say the electoral commission district office for.
We still have agents.
You see, they should be thinking easy for omonwene. Your electoral commission district office for now. Me constituency 151 polling stations, you know. In TM for 151 agents in the district capital.
No.
Hey, let me talk. Me see the American see you get. Open say the one agent na den ko enemy krom sumare polling station e den free ko ya onim de o sampare se Ada na monwene kakra. No, let me talk. Mani abrepa. And you think the omo ye no ho. Omo no anso hia mani pass wonom. Eduru wa ye nyina na ebenom, ye obi na ebenom. I'm telling you. Etime me polling station 151. Maybe it's a simple question about challenging someone. It is how the nipa ba akokotena district office. So no na ye agent. No be free the nearby constituency be register. Or be then we say oni polling station na obodi no. Are you thinking of it? Huh? We are a politician. Are you thinking of it?
Want me to answer you?
And Electoral Commission should know, sir. Voter register is prepared for purposes of election. Yes, yeah. And transparency of election start from day one. A process, a event. 8 years starting here, you know. Me start here party agent. I'm 16 years. Me agent kwa Mantuaba. What am I say? Create me course kukusia number 1. When na me agent. I want my constituency. Obiba na oba betro ni dia na e 2. The other person no e bia patemu ho ni mo nyina otumeka say simasi o mfiri ha na ye issue na yisifo na toto na obekum na o mfiri ho adenti na watimi ahu because community ye ninim ye ho enti se ho be from aheden ye hu enti ene the whole district me 42 communities na wo me district no yes limited registration obi amra sampa district capital enti oba no se ofimi krom suma hinkru no obo say oh suma arose kra na oto aba na nya ho no free ofi baby na ba ya CJ on be den.
Well, I don't know if there's
Ebeneza
yeah to come on patrol. Ebiana Ebeneza.
There be on answer man intro. Man intro. Oh no. Me pay distortion man intro. True. Oh pen. What am I say? Enti ano no wo be den hu. Ebiem CJ de ye kan ne nyina no. Enya de bi te se de NDC fo na isura bato aye ko yinsu. And a Ghana near said the constitution of sound mind that will do 18 years in him dear Kosukuma. And now, but I'm for Crass Ghana head, now our dream Juma. And no sooner Ghana for big na dear to a band. It is here and now all day bano. And near ma, a bit disenfranchised Ghanaians, and I was here can was him. Now the entire Mibusan is a Sokuta, and I report, and I say, Anne. This is the report. The Odianum. And I now see them for a new quarter or more documents, so Ghana card is on registration. This is a reporter, or say report of the committee of the whole on the state of registration, printing and issuance of the ECOWAS identity card into bracket Ghana card and its challenges. Now about page 10 out of 22 now, the operational challenges and I for some more kind. Community committee initial report. This is the report of a copy for my MP. Good. Challenge back one and I say dear munya pa COVID-19. We be any say COVID by the problems we bring by. And omoka say dear munya in a way we understand. But Ghana for a real fear home. COVID the buy no more per quantity vote register for front. Still, ye preach social distancing once no. Near Simon Ghana for kobo pieces yanko trading. Okay. And now challenge number 2. Or say inadequate budgetary allocation and release by Ministry of Finance. CJ Mamenka Kakranch. Or say the NIA underscored that inadequate budgetary allocation and untimely release of funds by Ministry of Finance to implement programs and activities constituted a major challenge. Now the omoka in this report, you know, say omo budget omo de koma aban. It was 326 million Ghana cedis. And I buy so they buy 236 million Ghana cedis. Every year, you know, I buy could 180 million Ghana cedis and a demand. Meaning, say, Sika no more petty jumano. I buy crying there, and Tia. And Tia challenge a more. Baby, I know Moses and Comodruno, or Montinian Drew. So Tia, or say, the downward revision of the budgetary allocation would affect NIA's ability to. Very good. Everyone knows a financial issue. And now on my Ghana, we are financially distressed. Who doesn't know? Point number 3, also lack of access to program stocked of blankers. Or say, the committee was further informed that although there was adequate stock of cash at the bond warehouse, the NIA is yet to receive a program stock blankers to distribute its 300 offices nationwide. Unim, NIA jumedi omodino, omone private entity bi na akwa apam. And omudi juma no bom. It is a one aban no obligation na was our anano. Se term bia wan ana private entity no on find the any Emma. He's away. Financial challenges now you cannot. NIA. Say more the you can say. Oh, what's the name? Nkofona money or more digiman, more $170 million. Equivalent to 1.4 billion Ghana cedis. Now our finance minister come Rashid Bedefia yebusa and say, Mona more press yemfa Ghana card in Kotrabano. Card input the print muntimintia, ama ya hold the card over 3.5 million. Enti ene, the end also sika na cannot cry then ye dike tuamu 80 million Ghana cedis. Near ya arrangement within the week air queen ye di 20 million ko kan. Finance minister nim say Ghana for nyini. Because be him so fan of
Professor Tifa can say that now call parliament no say numere na
what do you become 1.4 billion TM they should listen to wisdom. What do you become 1.4 billion? What's the media 100 million? How many say agree nim kosoro tio 1.4 billion equivalent to $117 million. And what hold the process no say o man kosoro because the car. What's the me could 100 million to be jam? Now can you for it? I wouldn't say Ghana for GD1. Ya wona obefa Ghana. Na Ghana kaya 120 billion. Now they do 600 billion. Ya wona ka kire say enko IMF and IMF na ye kono kora ye hu office na ewura mu no. Now we for that minuru ho. Oh, ahwe how the emotions ahwe na waka say tie nipa. So the American say with this report na ekutame no. Those are the challenges. They said the name Bobono. Now about the same reporter. Page 13, the no fa. And I the omo no. Almost say omo premium benefit bi wo homankofobi. Me baby am fi onyame e na di madru ha wo. Eye nyame. Mabusu mu bia nya politics da. Say we registration. Enti ye wonkofo bi mu a omo ni timi tua 250 Ghana premium. Me register
na hoje na on
good inti te said ye wiemfo na ye gu airwork obitimi kodi be 3 days wo ho no ono no onya 250 Ghana nkotua for premium inti NIA say or the premium abama at the 4 so omo no nkotua nya omo
me producer crack asa jama premium no na say anya adwuma bi o
me ba na say omo ne company ni issue so sikasem no.
Oh really?
Yes,
because me kai say
it is in the report.
Car bank na me koko jina
ya car bank
in less than 30 minutes na
catch your producer say private partner na omo ne di juma no omo de ka $170 million into process na astore na jina ho. So the American say we producer dey be obetimi 250 Ghana e dey akwaje na Ghana card. In 2015 ye kokro bi so talency o ka say by election time MP no ho no kodi ohene no and ye dey BT bye. I was there for 1 week. Krobi I course me kaide ne friend Kopelega in that village obi yi 1 Ghana cedi kokko no bi na de chabrewa na brewa na sana obona no when they not necessarily. You know the reason why? O say a whole year we nya 1 Ghana da a whole year enti wote ha
okay
sabrewa na o tie kura na se no obeden kura no wanya lorry fair say o dey call district capital e dey ko register
Eric
enti wote ha meba ayo obi entitlement so register the to aba no meba o ayo obi entitlement so register the to aba no o say obi ye premium ti o meto 250 Ghana na dey want me anto na me dey ma si form no omo bie 3 premium branches across the country. Omo obako Eastern region, Koforidua. Omo obako Ashanti region. How nyina one stronghold. Maybe so kwesa. Eastern region one stronghold. NPP. Ashanti region one stronghold. Add na premium centers na yamfa bianko Northern region. Yamfa bianko Volta region. Yamfa bianko Savannah region. Question back on me.
Okay, Eric.
We are never in class. Eric,
I think that we'll be wrapping up on the first topic. Mako break about. Then we'll do.
Emotional issue.
All right, but now we'll wrap up on this topic and after the second topic. Yeah, but you see, I'm the Chief Jerry Forson. Stay with us. Yeah, bye. Enti yamoachi amwakwa baby on outreach dwumadi so na oguso a wo share the friends and debate no aye hot pa even off air na the issue Erica J. Brazy. I think that we need to take a critical look. Na mema Ebenezer ni na te kwan na watch him. For instance, say the Electoral Commission say obey continuous registration at district offices no. Party agents, kwambe number first so ayo omadwuma, and that's very critical. Em say penny by me refuse and can be bisa na nko bi on my education. I
have involved myself, deeply involved myself in registration and election in my constituency, even before I became a member of parliament. Because before me MP, na me electoral record data. M'ave involving me in election in Ablekuma Central constituency. Especially when it gets to registration exercise. CJ, before we buy no, you see, you educate Ghana for. You need most station with Esson. Oh, and number country or no. Oh, say Eric, all kind of reports, all kind of reports, committee on the whole reporter, NIA. Any yisi share parliament na no I think the yawada o se ukwada no once o can the challenges are NIA FAC the challenge NIA FAC e sikasem once na odnya butre na kind of writer wa say but papa na ewo mu no Eric decided to close his eyes on it or yes o kata na ni ewo ho CJ nia page. The same 22 now call now. Registration statistics. Or say number of Ghanaians enrolled 16,936,934.
Yes.
This is the total number of people
enrolled nature saying.
Or more or my day or much home.
Okay, and I got printed and also
figure. I mean, okay. No, but I say number of Ghana card issued after the 16 million.
The Ghana card.
I saw Munsa.
Good. And that's
15 million. 674,131 out of 16. Out of 16.
Okay. Into 50 million.
Oh,
Ebenezer.
What else might you say?
Yenia bro.
Omo dia ayra. My day, or more, I replace your mom. No, 159439. I'm giving you all the statistics. Omudiako. Emo much less say, Nipa we ya Yamomu Kadi 60 million. Nipa we na eden. They are shown. Averagely, it will be around. It will be less than a friend is saying 1 million, because
1 million is small figure.
Oh. Me say averagely, okay, it will be less than 1 million.
Me too.
This cars now will come as them no. Or say, sir, or say, Safui, we have about 3.5 million. Cars I woha ye jisika den akotua. So when we say yes, eso sikanimwa. Within 10 to 11 days, we'll be able to clear all the backlogs.
Okay.
Obi, CJ.
Yeah.
Send me the Eric car 1 CD.
1.4 billion.
Oh, Eric. Send me the Eric car 1 CD.
Okay, I say 1 Ghana.
Me say Eric. Me sell.
For Sikani, ye figure ni ye.
Me ni 1 CD na me de bema.
Bema.
We to 10 pesos. And 20 kra 10 pesos.
Mema 50 pesos. Matisu kwa ma. Na Misrel.
What is so? Free 2 alcohol 5. What
is what mami emere kakra. It's about negotiation. It's about only nipakunu nkita wodi. Because I know for sure say even the car say they are more e bi mu more car than no. Na abind your muka. Okay, but so they were able to release and give it to them. So ye ka asem na mumma yen ka be papa no any boni na e
emre ni nti me question am bisa how the party agent
yes CJ 20, I think the last assembly election was 2019. The last assembly election, no, registration, registration at the district center. In fact, they did even almost zoning constituencies. Ablekuma Central, Ablekuma North, any Ablekuma South. The 4 constituencies, no. Now initially you one district office. One district office. What me constituency? Pipe na.
Okay.
Yes, pipe. That be a question. Enti ufi Ablekuma North, ufi Ablekuma South, ufi Ablekuma Central, and ufi Ablekuma West. You all come there. Ebe register.
Okay. Na party agents were.
Na party agents were.
Party agents.
And now we have 4 canopies. Edima, all the 4 constituencies. We were ha. So when I can give you your former constituency secretary's number and find out for him. It will do her. Which constituency are you coming from?
Ablekuma Central.
Ablekuma Central. Koha. Which constituency are you coming from? Ablekuma South. Koha.
Okay. And just me drew Ablekuma Central canopy Nasia.
Yes.
What happens?
Ukwa. No I register. We register South. Ufri him if Ablekuma South. Okay. Uti him wa Ablekuma South. Meti. Let me use Ablekuma Central because I don't know I'm familiar with. Me for Ablekuma Central. Me free Ajambu electoral area. Ajambu infra side. And our oh meti. Your friend is saying Pentecost, Presby, sorry, Honum. Then they go through your friend is saying the polling stations are a walk Presby Honum. Okay, on the back or two, Presby, sorry, I on the back or two aba. The registration. Polling station agent war. Polling station agent war. Confirm say every party have a polling station.
How many
agents?
How many?
2. 1 at a time. So NDC 4 or 2, MPP or 2, CPP or 2. Party say now muso yempa mo friends IPAC omu nyina bi mu eba PNC ba PPP ba CPP ba obia won agent when they finish with the registration near from 5 o'clock.
But the challenge is constituency there were 150 police stations.
I have 305 police stations. 305 police stations.
Good. That's how the polling agents me you are creating confusion.
You are not creating any confusion because a one center. If the thing is happening at all the police stations,
they register all polling stations.
Exactly. A one
so
center
every polling station or polling agent, you're the center agent.
Yeah, you can
look at our laws.
Eric,
what is center agent?
No. CJ, yes.
What registration is this one?
With my registration, at one police station, assumption now. Any assumption.
You talk.
I'm telling you, me catch up with facts. I'm telling you with facts.
Let's be very careful.
Me say, obey your registration by the close of because a year near printing or more registering in ano with the police station any or 2 years and they will give it to the defense agents there by no. In the Sedepa 500 and now 200 and I register that day. They give a copy of the printout to all the polling agents and they'll sign. It wouldn't say after the Nipa 5 and I register and that day on the 4th of March, Nipa way Presby, Nipa way was say because a one center. Because it's one center, we have 2 agents. And I'm telling you, sir, 2019. The same thing was done at the district office. No, but not only in Ablekuma Central, but the entire country.
The temptation say, "Obi wa own free electoral area. Wa na ye nimu ne kura na obeba metro ni di." Ewo krata ni mu.
CJ. And also Obi and free. Yeah. So Obi and free electoral area ho.
Yeah.
Owo of na ofinfa. So free electoral ofinfa. I cannot come and say
no, but you see, I will say no politicians.
And I mean, free electoral
guarantee man.
No, free electoral of Infa.
Uni hana
yes,
we are passing the way. Are you not
Massa? What are you talking about?
Politics.
Me say. Free electoral.
Let's make progress.
People come.
Let's make progress.
If this electoral area, they put you there. Is Eric telling me say, Omuti? A friend is saying, "Usi Sampa na Suma."
If you Suma him,
Suma honum no. Udin obi oti Suma.
Yes.
You know everybody. Yes. And then more
community.
And then more be say 300.
Nipa kure ni omenko.
Because me, for instance, I don't know everybody in my electoral area. And there's no way I'll know everybody in my electoral area. Because we're talking about almost about 170,000 voters in Ablekuma Central. Look, Abusoka have about 28,000 registered voters.
Okay. We have another topic.
CJ, let me say quickly.
2 minutes, Pacho. 2 minutes. 5.
Kwame.
Now first one about 30 minutes. First one about 30 minutes.
Kwame. Only me fine. Now mafia. Honorable. Argument now can in ano. E be anywhere eto obi aso. CJ.
Kase ento waso.
Offer Electoral Commission rana ye de to abana. Ye say ye kwa akoto aba we say polling station bi ama polling agent, right? ECC ye kwa akoye registration we say political parties di omo polling agents e den eko. Me district ye 151 polling stations. Polling agents na ekogina polling station no. 1 nipa na eba na bi wo ha ye de ba oni mfie du nwotwe. Intimately challenge no because ye nyina fi the same community no. Onim kronim be 90% of the people on mobile register. Obi timi ba ye see free ho na ye challenge no. Nti sa challenge ni nyina na ye ekotena so e kasa asem no bua omo qualify na ye yi omo free. Ye trading ba ko no why say obi aba asem kofo ye de omo free manhia de omo ko for krom. One test abebre. Ye de we free, had de we free e kwa. E den na man teacher. Because ye kodru ho na ye ko register omo Eric J na oye indigenous oye agent o area ho no animu 5 year by dey ye hu obi a community ada na wa challenge omo obekom na omo mfiri na ye omo afiri ene Electoral Commission say me 42 communities na o German of ni nyina no omo nyina omo aso limited registration ni nyina amra district office ena me busa o simple question say me kromfo na omo ba no party agent na nko begina police station ye ne na beba o okọ me krom a ye o police stations mako 7 Enti polling station be agents the achiriba. So the whole district 150 something polling stations no. Near the obi agent abegina because nipa no ofimi krom ne say okofa sampa agent a ontimi challenge the ofimi krom ne say on free work. E na o kan say me honorable. Onya position do ba bia kai ba bia free. You know onim the enti America sa kire no. There were some people in our community a ono ni oye illiterate to the level say Roma asore dan ko nim say Roma asore dan. Enti nipa no kodu EC office ubusa me say he no free or can be free polling station ko bi nim it's a fact you see no what you want to laugh your chrome life na tena kura so
mama it's very important we touch on the second topic measures here for former president Mahama Lanchi
na say one mama fancy
me Kwame
me DC form no honorable say o ma figure 60 million and 50 million say card I print in a region enrolled printed issued enrolled ni nipa ye de omo akọ NI system no so a ye register MPP strong printed in a casa ya print omo nsaka like ya print issued ni ye de nipa nsaka NI mra na da ho na ye ka se mre bi so a e wo se ye di tro ye din man ye no the cell law no say issued card and ye printed card. Because as at now, NI over 3.5 million cars in a good baby. Yeah, nipa bi nya omo cars. What you must say? Nti say nipa na onya ne card name ran say issued no. Issued no e won ho. And you are compelling that person say card na because of amamu enkoyi enti entimi mpi obi ka. Enti yen release ye no. E no na chinchina atwan. E was what the register. Is that how
Eric?
Hey.
Yanko anime na wa koso so mame campaign launch no akoso mapeni dada Mahama but the promises are hodo no na tuja or scrap payment of ex gratia or scrap ex gratia under article 721 office holders are promising lean government and are saying so are promising to stabilize the economy. Eric I'm just asking you honum na yanko
asema his excellency kan no on say leader biano utie the cry of the people and they don't say leader nti o share difference e wona nado ni Owura Mahama ntemo vast difference say nanu adamu am party for mrahye bedwafo kra tie atwa so won pamo kendo for yata and okushi omokoko am say oje besia ba de campaign am won one baby akọ nti ono tie o na sam ko ba nwa na mbeka kire nti onye obi a otie nipa nti kenofori atada so the problem of the economy ono an also on sign solve problem no with IMF Ora Mahama say Ghana for dodo na kasafa article 71 ho. Enti me ya maye man penida. Se minya akwanya na me babie mu a. The executive arm no me scrap it. Na ebiem no ma persuade others no. Na de wasem ye fa ho maye. O kan statement na or the can asem na o kan 3 key words bi. O say ye constitutional matter. A political and they be enhance governance. A constitutional because offer a constitution now honorable than the abeya. I think Article 81 fall under Chapter 8, which is entrenched provision. You can't entrench provision. Many CGT Mrashibe your phone point to me to say, yes, Samrano. This is Ghana for in a twaba, be a friend and referendum. Now, the man can executive nasem. The same constitution, no, Emma Kwan say, President Biaba or established that monument committee. No, uti me pa.
Me too.
And none no other Professor Intia mo bidding committee. Okoye na report by or see Intia ba umi ayireka. Nanka Intia na nado yireka nka ho. Na nado ne pause ha committee no. Until he being the president, onim the woes of our country. Onim how o man komu for now. Baby a omudi yedru. Na ende pensioner sika kraban si odi no. Ontimi hwenhwe han se. Na soafo ne ne presidential staffers ne ade ade no. Okwa kutua da S Gracia ne de amomo. And don't forget, under Professor Mills, you started the Constitutional Review Commission now. Na yedi hujuma. All these things were part. Now the entire implementation of say in Ankoson say in 2015 and no more question nkofo achi say emfa enko court. Na hwamo
enuntina implementation.
Asem no work court no. Obe da ko implement it. In 2015 and the pending ya because amanfo no more raise issues against some of the findings and nkofo ya diaba. Article 71 ya kan wo reche mensa kan ho asem kra parliament na ya no. A former senior friend says Ade Lawrence Ade. Some of them wouldn't do so. What I say? So ade na ye ne enyo omo fe na me de ye me yakra ne se senior obi si obe scrap it or the be famra kwan so eye fro Ghana for do aneka enka wo ba no pe no obe ka chem so na do kra ni shi anra na dwo no o se ono kra de ne ma gu akwan mu asade na obe because Ghana for mo kire mo because as at 2016 Mahama Efi akonwa so na president eketua ye be 29000 Professor Intia mo bidding committee no we review the code 47000 nti na do je 47000 what am I say on top abele so bolo the to be on top hill ni na e toma no
in fact as at 2019 na salary near 42 and almost
2019
about
2016
yes but this is
almost 4200 yes almost 4200
yes, new salary arrangement, you know.
Yeah, I have the figures.
I'm the 4,289.
Yeah,
and account.
Not good for just saying.
47,277.
Community police for just saying.
And a president Oji.
Good.
The vice president in so and increment of 3,581.
Yeah.
And Canadian also 39,397.
And
a former president, so you saying.
And a speaker of parliament. Speaker of parliament. Speaker of Parliament is also under new salary structure, no, and so 35,020.
Yeah. And the person me say, we are not in normal times. What I say? And on that trigger some decisions, and honorable Adebako also what I say and say, Emra, the entire amendment pan say, time why this 19 constitution with the 1992 constitution we know. Na niema pi wo ha ene ya setena mu efa be ne Ghana enyine kwa nanim ni bebie yedru no yesuban ya sesa niema pi asesa nti wo se sesa mrem enye bone nti se mre bi atwa mu kono na owura Mahama JS Gracia na ene wahu se Ghana population ye be 31 million unemployment rate grew by 13.something%. Mebunu wiesuku ye nya adwuma na mebunu na e kase e wo se repeal that particular provision na is a calamity.
Because in Kobiso Beka said 2015, 2016 now, Oka said copy court, NTMI are implementing. And that's around that time. Former President Mahama also proposed 10% salary increment. Okay. Okay.
No, constitutional. Question now, Bisan. And your question. I didn't catch that was said. A constitutional, a political.
Nobody said
listen to me carefully. Your year was illegal. No, maybe you see,
Ballon is
I am not getting the argument here because, let me tell you this, I am not getting the argument because I didn't enshrined in our constitution. And also, obey your constitutionally. It is constitutional right now performing in then, no, and binding is so intimate take action, and I binding no, so intimate take action. Mampeni Akufo-Addo bedi Ghana Mampeni. Now how many regions? Was it not 10? Nya referendum ne akwa create 6 regions at the count. Nti nka oba ye 10 na no ana e wo so gya no ho. Nyo no ana be ka kire so obo nto na ahemfu no bi ka se omu hia regions. Was it no constitutional issue? So where from that debate? And our GBDA nti aden na ene de wagye no famra. What is obi ka sa mental issue? Huh? What say omo started that debate now? Omo mental issues. And the constitutional right.
Be careful. Be
it is
careful.
painful.
Your choice
you
of
see,
words.
You see, it is painful. Let me say this. Omo ni saura Mahama do.
No, wait. We are on national television. Your choice of words.
Yes, my sign. But omo ni sana do. Enu in America because nipa no kasa ya no. Oh, first time we ministers 125. Nigeria population ye be 260 million. Omo ministers in 50. What you American pa? Nigeria kwato aba voter register nipa 93 million na ewu. Oche nipa na etime to aba no mu miensa e na ye Ghana population back. Okita ministers 125. Ade wo na we wiase. And this extra large ministers no. That is the worst. Akwaso worst na etimu sisi ya no. And obi say or not even half of that ministers or the 60 na beba. Because that 60 no, a dinner now bobo salaries no. They are the exact people who take the S gratia. Meboa.
Yes. No,
Minister Bakon, na allowances the man on it, me fan up for 20. Who doesn't know? It is Obiaba. No, Baba ye we are. And Kaoba no pay no. Also, man penny tea and no say, the ministry na, Bibrina more Muhammad were creating a one. Wa major 5. And the Ministry of Trade, 4 ministers. Industries been no more creating Kruma. Unemployment then grew by 13%. Ministry of Finance no more also Ghana problem in and 4 ministers. Ne wafasi kenofuriata. And was idea me na anta akoka ho. And yes, I want me penny John Kuma wo ho. Abna say asare e wo ho. Meboa. Why? Economy ne wo hen. And these are people ye ne tofa ngugu omo kem. Nti petrol bo okosoro omo ntua bi. And cry ya hanya Yesu no omo han bi.
Eric Wacho boy kakra and from the late males.
Yeah.
Na ministers here saying.
Mention and the exact figure, but okay. I think it won't be more than 80. Yeah.
Okay. And under former President Mahama,
I think it was 83 or so.
Because under former President Mills, okay. Minister says 75.
75, okay.
And former President Mahama, okay. So by Obepege Muko 85.
85.
And Nokrano want to find out what accounted for it because now he's promising 60 ministers.
Obi 125, no be 85, no so better swab sister. Say ni pem no why na oginidi.
Oh no. Maybe so asem. You don't answer a question.
Or say the current situation, some decision there was here take. We are in a mess.
It's from 75 no what accounted to the 85.
85 no. What is Ghana ni ntimi ntua ya ka e default your debt. Oyi 75 no na inflation and 54%.
Samum.
Oyi 75 no na Ghana public debt e do 600 billion. What are you talking about? Masa eto da wo ho. Intina and I was say as a emotional. Ya na ja. Because so she mampeni Akufo-Addo deliberate the kind of deliberate plans out there poor minor. And can what's your debate MPP for Kwakuma? Okay, the first step. Only 125 ministers and you the flat screen the board presidency. Na Venn diagram. Your book and the or Yale University near no data bank or ha. Okay, so analysis no yet. And no to me and what ye busuam for. No for nepotism, what they creative mess in the economy today. Now be say, I've experienced governance before. I've been a leader of this country before. And then na you woman and said the name tia kunyaso. Is it the same? And then Ghana debt to GDP is not over 100%. Your physical space near Diaboro. Your tia kunyaso not to say Eurobond market a blacklist here.
Okay. Eric.
So those are the hard times at you. So those are in Yemen what's here and we will do it.
But Obi has sent me a message. I will need to go back the salary arrangement. Na fi call Ebenezer ho. Enti where your professor ya anti amwabedu committee new salary structure for 2019. But we are the 2016 the and so ebe kan ho. Enti the president under the new salary arrangement, or the 47,277 the salary bosome 47,277 Ghana cedis. And the new Ghana cedis and common yedi. That is a 4,289 increment because previously now 42,979. Vice President in so 39,000.
And I'm zoom lion for no 250.
CJ.
Kwame, my main.
But 2016.
No. Let me deal with Professor Yancha.
I think it was 29,000.
Vice President 39,397, an increment of 3,581, and the previous salary of 35,816. Speaker of Parliament, so the 35,021, and also increment of 3,183 from 31,000. Members of Parliament, High Court judges, on the same salary structure with an increase of 2,547. Into salary, MPs and High Court judges, 25,470. And that is recommendations by the Presidential Committee on Emolument. And I'm there to Dano. Ebenezer,
CJ,
my member. The promises by former President John Dramani Mahama
Eric,
to scrap
28
gratia
minutes.
No, I'm saying
28.
Debbie.
CJ,
you
see why na Emma promises.
Former President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
University of Hospital.
President Mahama or Lucy 2016.
I don't know.
I was seeing fee na Vice President your own 2 fee or your 5 fee man.
Okay,
I'll tell you to come out 2 for a catcher and say, "Young first half fee na mana on his own scene fee community."
Okay,
I'll 2 for a call UK. Eko can say Sanka enye onua 2016 election. The incumbent who have lost, say on si form no. Is the same person.
O 2 for can
Is the same person who has been a 3-time member of Parliament. Is the same person who has been a vice president. Is the same person who has been a president. Minti trini papa.
Oh, boy,
but you say, kwasi obema untuma. And I can tell me say, minti ni papa.
Because it should be you are in Ghana man. I say, you're Ghana man.
Kwasi obema. And I can say, kwatre kwa. Say obema untuma. That means obi oye naked. And I say,
yeah.
I also obema untuma.
Obi only be on Honda so on Sherry.
Also obema untuma.
Yeah.
Apa. Anko kusne beka sa arabraka.
Na bena obu ye na emfa o. Ejesen chim.
Chese. Ono wadidi ame.
E wa he.
Ono ene amiru ka say is President Mahama telling me say oko voter with no kon launch in campaign. Fu na wo odi ko e no. Ono din sika ko.
Na wane to ma no.
Ono din sika ko.
Wane to ma no.
Okacha yo say
to ma no.
U kasa won me yedin.
Mo na mo to e.
Abai na to.
No, you said enough of this lies.
No, Eric.
No, I will respond.
So sit down.
So mama pen we me dey you afako.
Matemetro.
The same President Mahama can not the team now or the call voter with the call launching the campaign no ono need this kakoto e. The same President Mahama nipa obudi de chi ekọ yen ono ti omuka. Felix Okasaman ono ti Felix ka. Joyce ono ti Joyce ka. Otu kwan extra play mu ko chinchin no ono ti ani play fair. Busum no wi e ko bisa Mahama say last month yen ti ani ka na. Say ti ani ka. You see, sometimes no when you are so desperate, frustrated to leader ono no kan you or say edu abatu mu a esa so person go for tuma wonti no o hihye bo ono no kan 2016 election ono no kan so he's giving promises that he knows for a fact say ono anu no onim say sa bosh don hye no enye possible unto me yet. That is why I can't say eyemra. You see how smart that guy is? Very smart. Say eyemra. Enti obeye dia say oye because people have been talking about ex gratia and other things. And you see, most of the times, see a ex gratia who asema They are to the doorsteps of politicians.
No, but Ebenezer, what is wrong? And then the young from so who say Nipa Krono who say no. At this point, some
he realized that.
Indeed, some woman.
Fine. So if you are talking about S. Gracia, if you are talking about S. Gracia,
yes,
as a former president, you are entitled for a fee. You are entitled for your friend is saying salary.
On record. On record.
Tell it true.
So canokre no.
True.
Mo man
say military for
the office on one han.
True say military for
mo treat no say layman. E time come obi bi mo be dwane wo kroma.
Eric.
True say military for assassin or me chop be ho.
Wa military land.
Me case wa military. Me see me
mo na mo charge motor forest craft for.
Eric.
Na
no. Please.
When you have been promised.
What say ni be
when you have been promised deputy communication or information minister, when you uba air, you speak emotional. Now you who say, yeah, I will be the man of it.
What there?
Because you see, Eric, you be power communication over coho.
Come on, Ebenezer. Come on,
minister.
Come on,
CJ, I am not against your friend is saying, President Mama, so Obeskabi S. Gracia said, but then beside who say. What is the issue? And that's where I have a problem. The problem they say, you see, the 25,000 now, Okasa MPC, that's what we supposed to end when I was the 7th Parliament. The 7th Parliament. Now you call Parliament 7 January 2017. No? Now you just 6th Parliament for salary.
And you're saying?
I think 19,000, 18,000.
Come on, 19,000.
I did 19 or 20,000 more back. Because
on
22,000. Oh, that's a pay now.
Oh, now just saying.
I think 22,000. I'm sure.
22,000. And you're 19. And you're
22,000. That was the that was the 6th Parliament salary. We determine salary of Article 71 oldest. Every 4 years. You see, but now how? No, I'm say maybe but you should not forget, say, the 22,000 I am talking about, CJ. 22,000 American one say me as a member of parliament, no? Now me VAT, ma'am, now you tell me 4,500 a woman.
Now car.
4,500 every yes, every 22,000.
I don't know why you picanto. Now why do we
but the same Article 71 older.
Yes.
Who is a high court judge? Say money car. Or TV besides
yeah.
And to own sign calculation no. But CJ. So that's where I have a problem. Where more 25,000 or Moody presently no. They are not taking their actual salary for this 8th Parliament too. Now they are taking ours because we were taking 22,000.
We're deviated from the topic.
No. The point is, as we speak,
I'm not debating.
MPs, judges, are pegging on the same on the same salary structure. And I'm
I'll say S. Gracia. S. Gracia, MPs in count.
MPs count.
So make us executive.
MPs count.
See, let me clarify here. What kind of statement now? The emphasis.
Are you writing a statement for him again?
Executive. And what can say?
Emolument of Article 71 orders. That's what he said.
Transfer.
That's what he said. Also, emolument of Article 71 orders, which MPs, the executives, and then the judges are part of it. So what are you talking about?
Okay.
And I'm saying, say.
Okay, but I think, say, the former president was specific. Say, the executives. So that later,
yes,
engaging
that was what he said.
MPs, you know. That's what the former president said.
Or say.
Statement, no how.
Or we are not kind of statement. Or say, emolument of Article 71 orders. Obey anything if you hold. Yeah, I wonder the one on only the friend is saying, ni 2 minuno, he will do it. Nya any 2 minuno, he will engage. He will engage. CJ, the point I'm making,
Meba, Let me quote the former president. The payment of ex gratia to members of the executive will be scrapped. The necessary constitutional steps to take this will start in earnest in 2025. We will also persuade members of the other arms of government to accept its removal.
Fine.
Unquote.
So what?
You, Mate. CJ. Article, friend is executives. Is talking about honor. When he become the president.
More power.
Or can't about ministers. Or can't about the vice president. Or can't maybe to that extent
staffers,
chief of staff and all those people, those executives. He's talking about them.
Yeah.
Or say the other ones is going to engage. But CJ, we should not forget say Nia Oka say obey if you on a constitutional provision.
And
I mean that's why I make us say, look, some of the things because you are so desperate and frustrated to become a president, you come and say things that you know say. And you are who day now do baby.
No, but of course, Ebenezer, it is clear.
Let me land.
Let
me land. One thing I want us to understand and is say, your salary and whatever you get, it don't determine by the executives.
Oh. Debbie, Debbie,
who established the committee? Who established the committee?
The president who established it.
Who gave them the terms of reference? Not the president.
Look,
Eric, in 2 minutes.
Do you know who determined the who approved the executive salary?
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Landemame.
Exactly. And then the executive approved
the recommendation of the committee there, right?
Yes, a recommendation by the executive.
Absolutely.
So when the committee make the recommendation, it is up to the parliament to decide. Let me tell you, even with ours, at that time, there was a confusion between members of parliament and that of the executives. With the special of EFN said percentage. Because what the view say, looking at the work of the MPs and looking at the work of the judges, Edima MPs. So we of the view say, look, say approve. If it even delay the approval of your friend is saying the moment for your friend is saying the executive, because we have to approve this and they will approve your friend is saying the MPs need it. The point I am making with Tom Mahama, and he said, if what will say, if you the man of free so as a vice president,
I repeat, your man if you
2 minutes now, so Ebenezer.
Fuel like a man. Fellows also quite Tianuka every month in the office. And you catch them saying Tianuka. Joyce, Sika Tiano every month. Or no Mahama no Ankasa Sika Oduma, or to quite a play ticket or your chairman or edu corner. If he says today, say, then Ankamianka, I'll say let's start from this year.
But that's it. Kwame, my member, maybe some question in which that's I make a submission. You say, sir, and I'm on penny that episode scrapping the ex gratia in Parliament. MPs don't do one as also ministers. Until you say the significance of scrapping. I don't know if you get
statement now.
My question, yes.
The emphasis was on the executive. You as a president, when are you appointees and I'm a boy. And nothing I tell Kunyaswa or say, na appointees now no power. But some may be a yenti will be 10%. Yeah, this is cheap compounds by 1,400 across the country. Honorable, silent. What I say, the executive powers are their man and not the appointee. No, say oba, the executive need no or best scrappy. Now others no were persuaded which is the legislature and the judiciary nasem na welcome. Because you can't just come say MPs as gratia must scrap it. You can't do that. A constitutional issue. It's not the same statement no ka we say a constitutional. Mra ho asem. A political decision. And hansi amamuo the peri but because some Ghanaians are agitated. Because yeah ma me no mo prep room no. Zoom lion for no. Unim boss me ka twa dem on. 250 Ghana cedis. NAPCO for na
as a regional communication director, deputy director.
NAPCO for
the man constituency for.
Yemtia meka. I'm party officer in Tuamaka. I'm working for my Napkufor na aban bi you creating a cosmetic. Omo match o Independence Square ye omo dia kwatra fie. Na etua 700. 9 months ni aban timi ntua. Ndi sa akwada na otifie ne frustrated person a e wo se wo dwene ne ho mra ye wo mu. E na obi ka se situation na ye de ye wuremu a Ghana ye kampo ye ntimi ntua. Ye debt obligations. Until was he taking some critical decisions. Leadership is you have to sacrifice. I don't know. This is not the time. I was say, creating more ministries, extra large. This is not the time. It was so bad. And when you know best scrapping it, me my appointment. Me you communication minister. Na ma catch it. Say me share Ghana for say condition na a woman. Me ba. Ex-graduate executive, I'm no scrapping modem. Even before I started that consultation, constitutional issues. No. Until Otiasi Aji, Otiasi Ako. Ono kana umpa onko. You're on the control. You're on the appointee. He's the appointer. Until the all can and share. And now Becca send beside and Momo Toka. Oh, dear, no, 22,000 salary. No, you're told Carlo free. Now, Kananka, oh, can many intimate. Huh? Oh, Kano. Yeah, met teacher Nina.
Amount of money.
Teacher Nina na cut 1,500 now was a rebodi no. Oh now the 22,000 now waji V8 nka bo so me so an ya kwoti teacher na tia okaneka. So I then the teacher na dey man Carlo.
So you should know say the MPs are not being paid 22,000. That's what you understand. And I'm so tia say that money no honorable. And even apart from that what tax
parliamentarians.
Yeah.
And the council of state members. This year, I'm going to be $100,000 for Carlo.
So,
maybe. Yeah, I'm $100,000.
Yes.
Yeah, my teacher for Carlo. Sa Carlo na buy ne dia ginamu nti nsi ho e wo so mu tua no ani soro they said there kwantem kro wa bank so kwaje besia interest rate e ko be 40% no because of amamu bonenti. And those are the issues. And on record, let me say it here. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama co-position. Mo manifie fatu team. Now one do be kasa or say even or opposition no. The entitlement was abandoned man crab buy farmer no one can. That was when I brought you raising that debate.
Yeah. That was the last time I entered.
He said it.
One of the last time I entered.
And then when he said say or water region. Ne car no de call no when the demand petrol no.
Yes. When I talk petrol.
Right.
Ma me na ma beja fase. Honorable Ebenezer ni na former member of parliament.
So what are you talking
about? Central. Erica J, Deputy Bono Regional Communication Officer for the NDC. Yeah, the Dr. Sribo Kweku, Director in charge of Electoral Services. Yeah, and in fact, you made the Christian Achuni 1 week, at the Brow live on Adom TV as part of our Ghana month, and I say Adom TV Amamre at the end of Subebro. I mean, I'm a production team, right? AC Ohene and Dano Frank Walanyo and Welbeck Kufiam Pedu, Dachi Hene and I Sante, Aquasinsia, and me other production team, camera set, MCR, OBBR. We need the Chief Jerry Forsen and Maroon Free. The price for greatness is responsibility. Nnawotwi Yi, that's